Good evening and welcome to my weekly update. Despite the fact that we've had a very unique school year, to say the least, one thing is for certain: it's going by very quickly. The first semester is officially over and you should have received your child's report card earlier in the week. If you have questions or concerns regarding your child's grades, please don't hesitate to reach out to his or her teacher as soon as possible. As promised, we are constantly reviewing data regarding the transmission of COVID-19 in our community, and at this point, we are still on track to begin our phase-in of select students to in-person learning. On Monday, February 8th, we will welcome back all self-contained special needs students who are currently enrolled in in-person learning. If the numbers continue on their trajectory in our community, the next step will be to bring back the remainder of our students who wish to be served in person on Tuesday, February 16th. Don't forget, Monday, February 15th is our winter break for all students. I can't even begin to tell you how much we are looking forward to seeing our students back in person. We've missed them for sure. The virtual learning environment has its positives, but in my opinion, nothing beats in-person, in-school, day in, day out learning. As I've stated repeatedly, our goal is to return to in-person instruction for the remainder of the school year, as long as it's safe to do so. So keep practicing those 3 W's. Wash your hands, watch your distance, and wear a mask. And please stay home if you are sick or awaiting the results of a COVID-19 test. I know some of you will gather this weekend to watch the Super Bowl. It's extremely critical that everyone do so safely, as this gathering could cause a spike in the transmission of COVID-19 in our community. Today, I thought I'd do a little something differently for my video update. I've invited our Chief Operations Officer, Dr. Michael Barr, to join me today to provide you a little information on how we are working to provide a healthy and safe environment for our students and staff as they begin reporting back to school in person. So, without further ado, I'd like to welcome Dr. Michael Barr.
Good evening. I'm Michael Barr, Chief Operations Officer for the Newton County School System. As Ms. Fuhrey stated, we are looking forward to phasing students back to in-person learning. We want to assure you that the health and safety of our staff and students is our #1 priority. As such, we have implemented numerous safety measures in our schools to help prevent the spread of the COVID-19 virus. If your student rides a school bus in the morning, please make sure he or she is wearing a mask, as that is required. Students will be asked to sanitize their hands while on the bus and also physically distance as allowable. While waiting at the bus stop, encourage your student to not only wear a mask, but also remain at least 6 feet away from others to help prevent the transmission of the virus. All buses will be cleaned and disinfected after each route. Once at school, students will be expected to continue wearing a mask. They can expect to see desks and tables in classrooms spaced apart as allowable to maximize physical distancing. Hand sanitizer will also be available in all classrooms. We have cleaning and disinfecting protocols in place for all classrooms, computer labs, media centers, restrooms, and athletic facilities. So please know our custodial staff is working hard to keep the school buildings clean and sanitized. Water fountains in our schools are disabled for now, but students are welcome to bring bottled water from home. They will also be encouraged to wash their hands and use sanitizer often. In fact, hand sanitizing stations are located in hallways in addition to classrooms. You can help us in our efforts to reduce the spread of the COVID-19 virus by practicing self-screening at home. If your child has a fever of 100.4 degrees or higher, or shows symptoms of COVID-19, please keep them at home. We must work together to ensure our schools are safe environments, and we appreciate your assistance and cooperation. Our goal is to reopen schools for in-person learning and keep them open for the remainder of the school year. So please remember to practice the 3 W's. Wash your hands, wear a mask, watch your distance, and encourage your students to do the same. Thank you again for your cooperation, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.